Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today's segment is going to be on something that lawyers call mediation. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard what mediation is, but I'm kind of here to fill in the details on what exactly it entails. So mediation is a process by which, if you file a lawsuit, and it's a thing that most people in Harris County, or most judges in Harris County actually make you do prior to going to trial. So mediation is a last ditch effort to try to get a case resolved before it goes to a jury trial, and that's usually in Texas. So a mediator is hired by both parties. He's a disinterested party, and he is hired to try to figure out what the value of the case is. He is trying to figure out what the most is that an insurance company will pay and what the least amount is that a person will take. So there's a saying that mediators have. They say, no one leaves mediation happy. However, everybody leaves satisfied. And the reason why is because the insurance company pays a little bit more than they wanted to, but they have less liability now that the case has been solved or resolved, and the actual person who's injured, they finally get to know that they'll have money for sure in their pockets after who knows how long they've been in the litigation process. So mediation is a process that 80% of the time it's successful, and it's usually because the mediator has done his job in trying to get both sides to come to some kind of an agreement. Usually how it works is the insurance company starts out with a ridiculously low amount, and the person who's injured starts out with a ridiculously high amount. The median begins to kind of develop over time because a mediator goes back and forth between different rooms and tries to figure out, he's trying to gauge everybody and see what the case is worth through his own experience as well. And you gotta understand, all these cases have a certain dynamic to them. Each person who's injured, everybody's a little bit different, but in that process, because if you've seen enough cases, you can generally get an idea of what a case is valued at. So just remember that as far as mediation goes. Mediation is a long, long day. So we always tell people mediation is the process of hurry up and wait. So what do I mean by that? A mediator will come into our room, talk to us for a little bit, he'll bullshit, he'll go back and forth with us, and then he'll ask us what our number is and why we think it's this number, and then he'll leave. And he'll go talk to the other guys for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, and then come back with a number. And the process keeps going like that, so you literally talk to them for a few minutes, and then they go away for an hour. So this is pretty much what the mediation process entails. Thank you for joining me today on this segment. My name is David Salazar. Please join our Facebook group, and I look forward to giving you guys more insight on this type of stuff. If you have any questions, please ask away. If I can't answer the question, I will point you into the right direction of somebody who can. Again, my name is David Salazar, and I thank you for watching these. Thanks.